in the comment section, yes sir, you're audible. So as we all know that daily at 7 p.m. we come up with a daily current affairs where I ask you questions from today's The Hindu and Indian Express, right? So अगर मेरी आवाज़ पहुंच रही है both from app and YouTube, so just write in the comment section, yes sir, you're audible. Okay. So let's start the session. Okay, so but before moving on, there's a small announcement. Those who are preparing for CLAT 2023, which is going to happen this year, comprehensive preparation course foundation batch is there. You can join this batch if you are attempting CLAT 2023. Yes, people are writing yes sir, you're audible. Okay, fine. And if you are preparing for this year image, CT, LAT, SLAT, BLAT, JAMI, LLB examination, then I would suggest you to buy this course. I'm also here. You can call on this number or mail us at support@BYJU'S Exam Prep. Then this is a crash course. So those who are attempting CLAT this year, if you feel that you are not prepared yet and I think hardly 4 or 5 months are left, then I would suggest to go for this course. This is the best course. Call on this number or mail us at support@BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay, yes. So let's start with the first question, but before moving on, I hope you all are aware. I give you a question. You have to read the question carefully, then answer it. Whenever you are answering A, B, C, D, you have to tell me the reason why you are answering so. Okay? Yes, good evening everyone, good evening. So let's start with the first question of the day. I know it's a slightly long question, but it came in the newspaper Friday, Saturday continuously. So that is why I'm asking this question. Okay? So all these I have put it here regarding that. It's recently a judgment of Supreme Court came. So I have asked question from that. So read the question carefully and then answer it. The question is in front of you. And whoever is watching, everyone please press the like button. Yes, slightly long question. So that is why I'm giving you time. Read it. I'll give you 1 minute, no problem, and then answer it. So first of all, whoever is reading the question, read it carefully. I am again repeating it because 1 or 2 words can be changed. Okay. So whenever you are answering any option, please tell me the reason. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम आस्किंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट. ठीक है, तो मैं ये आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि इसमें से गलत कौन सा है. ठीक है, सो देयर इज अ जजमेंट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिसेंटली टॉकिंग अबाउट यू कैन से एक्चुअली 12 MLAs in Maharashtra was suspended by Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly and Supreme Court declared it illegal, right? And it's about that. Yes, Supreme Court held the suspension beyond the duration of session as illegal. तो सेशन के अलावा एक्स्ट्रा और उससे ज़्यादा सस्पेंशन नहीं किया जा सकता है बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेड इन इट्स ओन स्टेटमेंट. आई मीन दीज आर आर्टिकल्स विच आर मेंशन्ड हियर एक्चुअली. I hope you all are aware that there was an article on the first page, also later on in editorials, also limits of power on Maharashtra MLA's suspension case, and you can see it here. If a member is expelled by the House, then the Election Commission is bound to hold by-elections from that logic if it is expelled for 1 year. So it's talking about Rule 53. Go and read about it. Although these concepts in detail will be explained in paid batches. Yes. So all the 3 are actually right, and these I have taken from the same article. So the right answer to this question is D. All of the above is correct. Okay? None of the above is actually incorrect. Sab sahi hai. So go and read about it. It's important. Let's move on to the next one, the question number 2. Okay, so read the question carefully. The same article I have taken. Okay, and read the question carefully and then answer it. Whoever is watching, yes, सबको like button press कर देना. Okay, and subscribe to our channel. Yes, from Ganesh Reya from app has also said D. Many people Muskan Krishnan. तो कई सारे लोगों ने डी आंसर किया. पिंकी, साक्षी, यू ऑल वर राइट. ठीक है, जिन्होंने भी डी आंसर किया था. आंसर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The question number 2 is in front of you. Yes. So can anyone explain? So people are saying B to Article 212. Can anyone explain what is the meaning of Article 12, what it mentions and what it talks? क्या बात करता Article 212? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Actually, you all are right. Yes, Jia, Muskan, Jia, Madhumita, Priyanka, Krishnendu, Roshni Singh. जिसने भी आंसर किया, अस्मिता, कोरस, यूट्यूब, योशी, प्रियंका, you all are right. Article 212 is the right answer. So Article 212 of the Indian Constitution on the judiciary examining the regularity of procedure adopted by the House. 3 judge bench said that the present action was illegal and irrational and not merely irregularity of procedure. So this is mentioned, the concept of these statements are mentioned in Article 212. Go and read about it from the same editorial I have taken. Yes. So B is the right answer to this question. So you can see Article 212 of the Indian Constitution on the judiciary examining the regularity of the procedure adopted by the House. Okay, so this is Article 212. Please go and read it, and you will get to know in the first and second line the reason why the Supreme Court discussed this article. Okay, I'll be explaining in detail in the paid batches, but those who are from not from paid batches, you can read it. Okay. Let's move on to the next one, the question number 3, which is in front of you. So read the question carefully and then answer it. This is related with inequality report. So it came in the newspaper, I saw in The Hindu and even in Indian Express in the last 2, 3, 4 days. If you have read the editorials, there were articles which were talking about inequality report. Okay, so title. So this was the title of the report: Inequality Kills. You have to tell me that this report has been made by which organization. So everyone please press the like button. We are seeing very less like, बहुत कम likes here. 46 is watching, 22 likes. सबको like button press कर दो. Everyone please press the like button. Okay. Yes. YT Mike, Ganesh is saying B Oxfam. Yes, Madhumita, Dev Agarwal, Pinky, Jia, Rupali, Ansh, Abhinav, Dev, Muskan, Krishnendu, Masira, Jhalak, you all are right. So the right answer is B. Oxfam International came up with a report called as Inequality Kills, in which it talked about, you can say, the rise of inequalities after COVID-19, etc. and all. Okay. So मतलब inequality बढ़ रही है, अमीर और अमीर हो रहा है, करीब और करीब हो रहा है. So that is about it. Okay. So please go and read more about Inequality Kills report by Oxfam International. There were articles. Yes, Ritik, Jhalak, Anjali, you all are right. B is the right answer to this question. So there was an article on 31st January, show commitment to equity in the budget. Aruna Rai and Nikhil Dey has written this article where they have talked about this Inequality Kills report. Okay. Yes. Raghunathan, Anjali, Jhalak, you all are right. Priyanka Kumari Srivastav, you all are right. Okay, so the first line says Oxfam International presented its annual budget global inequality report titled Inequality Kills. Okay, so please go and read more about this. Okay, let's talk about. Please do not spam. एक बार लिखिए आप आंसर, ठीक है? बार-बार नहीं लिखिए. This is about Air India, and I hope you all are aware that if you are reading the Hindu or Indian Express, you must have come across, I think 2 days back or 2 or 3 days back, articles about Air India and all, है ना? Read it and answer it. Explain the reason also. Whosoever is answering either on YouTube or app, explain the reason. Adiba is saying C, Maharaja. Anandita is saying C and Adiba is saying C. Yes. Anybody else? Explain the reason. Yes, YT Mike from app and Ritik, Ranjan, Adiba is right. Yes, so the right answer is C. Which of the following, first of all, I'm asking incorrect. इसमें से गलत कौन सा है about Air India? So it was nationalized in 1953, correct. It was inaugurated in 1932 as Tata Airlines, correct. Its mascot is Sheru, no. Its mascot is Maharaja. I have explained in detail in the paid batches. So hopefully you all must even free class में भी बहुत हद तक बताया था. So you could have answered it if you are following us. Yes, Harshit Singh, Muskan, yes, you all are right. C is the right answer. Jhalak Gupta, Madhumita, Asmita Kumari, right. So the mascot is Maharaja. Okay, Anandita, mascot is, no, Chacha Chaudhary is the mascot of Namami Ganga program. Actually, someone got confused, so I am explaining it. Okay. Okay, so it's not Chacha Chaudhary, but rather it's Maharaja. Okay. So there was an article which came in first page in The Hindu and Indian Express everywhere, which talked about Tata taking back Air India, etc. So please do read about it. Yes. So yes, C is the right answer. Gurbani, Shreya, you all were right. Aditya, Dev Agarwal, you all are right. So read about it in detail. Please go and read these things in detail. ये वाली आर्टिकल पढ़िएगा, टैलेस एंड ऑल क्या होता है. प्लीज गो एंड रीड अबाउट इट. ठीक है, दीज थिंग्स प्लीज रीड. ओके, यस. सो दिस इज महाराजा. You can see it here. This is the mascot of Air India. Its name is Maharaja. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is the question number 5, which is in front of you. So read it carefully and then answer it. पढ़िए और इसको आंसर कीजिए एवरीवन. So this also came, I think, 2 days back in The Hindu, or 1 day back, or perhaps today. आज कल परसों किसी एक दिन आर्टिकल था, उसमें से मैंने उठाया ये क्वेश्चन. Biggie Kumar, if you do not get The Hindu, then I would suggest read Indian Express. ठीक है. Read the question carefully. It's talking about European Union, China, WTO, etc. And whatever you are answering it, please answer, explain the reason. जो भी आप कह रहे हो उसको आंसर बताओ कि ये इसलिए कारण से आंसर है. So people from app, yes, Ganesh, YT Bank, Chanchal, explain the reason why you are answering so. And some people are saying A, D, कुछ लोग C बता रहे हैं. Why? What is the reason behind it? Explain the reason. A, B, C, D is account. X is Lithuania and Equatorial is in Brussels. No, YT Bank, you are partially right. Yes, Yashasvi has answered it. WTO headquarters in Geneva. Yes, YT Mayank and Yashasvi together combined is right, huh? See, it is in Belgium. Yes, actually, I'm asking about correct. So first of all, let's talk about correct. So European Union angered China on Thursday by launching a case against Beijing at WTO for targeting. It's not Latvia, it's Lithuania. Lithuania. So first is wrong. I'm asking about correct. जब भी आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, read it carefully whether I'm asking correct or incorrect. So this is wrong. The headquarters of WTO is in New York. No, it's not New York. It's in Geneva, Switzerland. ठीक है. The headquarters of European Union is in Belgium. Correct. Brussels. Right. So C is the right answer. Since I was asking correct, only C is the right answer. कुछ लोगों ने आंसर किया है, but C is the right answer. Vicky Kumar, you can read on online. Yes. कुछ लोगों ने C आंसर किया, so the right answer is C. So European Union launches WTO case against China for targeting Lithuania. Where is Lithuania? Here is India. This one is Europe, and here you will find a country called as Lithuania. ठीक है. Lithuania is one of the Baltic country, है ना? So read more about it, this article in detail. Yes. Let's move on to the next one, the question number 6, which is in front of you. So read the question carefully and then answer it. Yes, it's not Latvia, it's Lithuania. Yes, Himanshu Tripathi, आप सही थे. Latvia नहीं, statement था, Lithuania था. Lithuania. Okay. The next is this one, the question number 6. Read it carefully and then answer it. We're talking about intranasal booster dose. Okay. Yes, go ahead, Cynthia. Yes, Ayushi, Ritik, Harshit, Taurus, Ajay, Karthik, Sinha, Challa, yes, Anjali, Sakshi, yes, Smita, Ganesh from app, yes, Krishnandu, Priyanka, Ayushi, Aditya, you all are right. So the DCGI has given vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech India Limited actually, है ना, the approval to conduct phase 3 clinical trials of intranasal booster dose for those who have got both the doses. Booster dose matlab after this both the doses, the people will get another dose called as booster dose. Yes, Sakshi, Yashasvi, Priyanka, Aditya, YT Mike, you all are right. So this was an article which came in the Hindu, intranasal booster dose for those who have received both the doses of Covaxin. And intranasal vaccine ऐसे होता है नाक में डालता है, ठीक है, nasal मतलब होता है नाक, है ना. So this will be something like this. Okay. So it will cut down the dependence on various trained personnel to administer the vaccine. ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा आसानी से डिलीवर किया जा सकता है जैसा कहा जा रहा है. ओके, सो B is the right answer. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is question number 7. Read it carefully and then answer it. So this question is related with Chief Economic Advisor. अच्छा, आज आपको पता है, अच्छा पहले इसको आंसर कर दो, then I will discuss this. This is about Chief Economic Advisor. Some news was related with Chief Economic Advisor was in the news, so that's why I'm asking it. Anyone? Some people are saying B. कुछ लोग D कह रहे हैं. Those who are answering B, they did not read the question carefully, I think. See, I'm asking about incorrect. I know many people read the question, do not read the question carefully, and they I can say confused because of correct and incorrect only. Yes, he did a press conference today. Why did he do press conference today? Karthik Sinha, why did he organized a press conference today? Can anyone tell me? Yes, the answer is in the screen itself. So he is equivalent to rank of Secretary of Government of India. Very correct. Recently, this is very important, Venkat Raman Ananthan Nageshwaran has been appointed as the new CEA, Chief Economic Advisor of India. Okay? Can anyone write in the comment section before him who was the CEA of India? इनसे पहले Chief Economic Advisor कौन थे? कोई लिख सकता है उनका नाम? Can anyone write his name in the comment section? So both are right actually. CAA is the ex officio cadre controlling authority of Indian Economic Service. That is also correct. He is instrumental in the publication of economic survey. यही इसी के लिए आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया. So economic survey got released today. आज ही तो रिलीज हुआ है economic survey. It is released one day before budget. बजट से एक दिन पहले इकोनॉमिक सर्वे रिलीज किया जाता है. ठीक है. सो टुमारो इज अ बजट एंड मोस्ट लाइकली एट 7 PM वी विल बी हैविंग अ बजट क्लास टुमारो. ठीक है. सो यू कैन वॉच दैट. सो ऑल आर एक्चुअली राइट. ठीक है. और इसी से रिलेटेड आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया था. सो द राइट आंसर इज ई. ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज करेक्ट. यस अदीबा, प्रचंद, के सुब्रमण्यम, यस संजोली, सुप्रिया. इट्स नॉट अरविंद सुब्रमण्यम. अरविंद सुब्रमण्यम उनसे भी पहले थे. सो it's K Krishnamurthy Subramaniam is the right answer. ठीक है. Yes, Karthik Sinha, right, absolutely correct. It's not Arvind Subramaniam. Those who are answering Arvind Subramaniam, he was before Krishnamurthy Subramaniam. सो द राइट आंसर, चूंकि हम इनसे पहले जस्ट पूछ रहे हैं, सो द आंसर इज कृष्णमूर्ति सुब्रमण्यम. ठीक है, यस यस, कौशल, प्रियंका, यू आर राइट. आदित्य, कृष्णेंदु, अस्मिता, यू आर राइट. यस, श्वेता पाठक, राइट. Okay, let's move on. We can go and read about it in detail. To the next one. So you can see government appoints Dr. V. Anant Nageshwaram as Chief Economic Advisor. You can see this is the person. And economic survey will be presented on January 31, which is today. है ना? Okay, let's move on to the next one. हाँ, YouTube पर कर लूँगा. There will be a budget class tomorrow at 7 p.m. Yes. The next question is question number 8. Read the question carefully. This is very, very important. Let me star mark this question. Because there have been, you can say, question last year also, CLAT 2021 में भी इस topic से question आया था. There was question in last year also on this topic. So I am star marking this question. Read the question carefully and then answer it. क्वेश्चन पढ़िए फिर आंसर कीजिए. So everyone please press the like button. We are seeing 38 likes, 57 is watching. So सबको like button press कर दो everyone. What is X? You have to tell me. Read it carefully and then answer it. Some people are saying B, some are saying C. तो आप जो भी आंसर कर रहे हो, if you are answering the short form, please explain the full form. Full form बताओ क्या चीज़ है इसका. Yes, अजय, आकांक्षा, कौशल, साक्षी, मधुमिता, कोरस, कृष्णेंदु, हर्ष, हर्षित सिंह, अदीबा, प्रचंद यादव. Yes, we are being talking about. Anyone from app? कोई नहीं आंसर कर रहा है. सन्नाटा है ऐप में. Yes, Ayushi, International North South Transport Corridor. Very good. बहुत हद तक सही है. You are very much close, Ayushi Srivastava. So basically, we are talking about INSTC. Yes, YT Mike is also right. ABS News. ठीक है. Yes, Ganesh. So this is being talked about is INSTC. So there was an article. This is very, very important. Please go and read it. At the Center on India Central Asia Summit. This is 2 days back. The Hindu editorial. Please go and read about it. Yes, Harshit, Yashasvi, Muskan, Bano, right. So it's not TAPI. TAPI is something different. Go and read about TAPI also. ये भी पढ़िएगा, but the right answer is B. Yes, International North-South Transport Corridor. Very good. Ganesh has answered perfectly from app. Yes, और लोगों ने भी आंसर किया. यशस्वी, हर्षित, आयुषी, देव अग्रवाल, आदिति. Yes, right. So INSTC के बारे में इसमें डिस्कशन है. ठीक है. Read about this article. This is a very important article. Please do not skip this. ये काफ़ी important article है, इसको skip नहीं कीजिएगा. Whatever the terminologies, the name of any port are mentioned, please go and find out कहाँ पर है, उसको थोड़ा डिटेल पढ़िएगा. Why I'm saying so? Because this is a CLAT 2021 question, and if you see it carefully, then it talked about Chabahar Port, Central Asia, INSTC, Chabahar Port. देखो कितना जगह mention है. ठीक है. So that is why please go and read about this. It's a very, very important topic. Star mark it. Let's move on further to the next question. The question number 9. ये थोड़ा सा नॉन कॉन्वेंशनल क्वेश्चन है, मैंने पूछा है. Read it carefully and then answer it. Even if you have not read the article, but if you have read the topic, you can answer it by reading the headline. ठीक है. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, बस एक आर्टिकल है, उसका हेडलाइन है आपके सामने, और आपको बताना है कि ये आर्टिकल, ये न्यूज़ आर्टिकल जो है क्या चीज़ की बात कर रहा है. सो इफ़ यू हैव रेड इट केयरफुली, यू कैन आंसर इट इवन इफ यू आर नॉट द हिंदू रीडर एंड यू नो अबाउट दैट पार्टिकुलर टॉपिक, देन बाय रीडिंग द हेडलाइन यू कैन आंसर इट. एक्सप्लेन द रीजन ऑल्सो. कोई बोल रहा है ए लग रहा है, कोई बोल रहा है बी लग रहा है. एक्सप्लेन द रीजन. आई नीड द रीजन. आप क्या देख करके बता रहे हो कि ए है या बी है या सी है या डी है? आई वॉन्ट अ रीजन फॉर दिस. एनीवन? So people are saying B, some people are saying A. Election Commission related. Yes, good evening everyone. Knowledge is equal to information. Electoral bond, ABC. Donor is equal to electoral bond is equal to money. Yes, Himanshu Tripathi has answered me correctly. Okay, so the right answer actually this question is this. The Hindu article is talking about electoral bonds. ठीक है? If you know about electoral bonds, just by reading these statements you could have reached to the point. ये लाइन ही पढ़ के आप समझ जाते हैं कि ये आर्टिकल किसके बारे में बात कर रही है. This talks about the voters should know how I'm donated to the political. Yes, very good. YT Mike has answered it very correctly from app. Awesome answer. Appreciate YT Mike. Yes, I appreciate you. So basically it is talking about a B. If you know anything about electoral bonds, you could have answered it just by reading this headline. So the right answer is B. Please go and read about electoral bonds. It is very, very important. So this is the article, and the next question is based on the same electoral bonds. Read the question carefully and then answer it. The next is question number 10, and it is based on electoral bond. Yes, जिन्होंने पिछला आंसर B किया था, you all were right. ठीक है, अंजलि, नव्या, those who have answered B, मधुमिता, रूपाली, YouTube, हिमांशु, जिसने भी B आंसर किया था, you all were right. गुरुवानी from app. This is talking about question number 10 related with electoral bonds. Whenever you are answering it, explain the reason. I need reason. सिर्फ A, B, C, D से काम नहीं चलेगा. बिकॉज आप तुक्का भी मार सकते हो, और यहाँ पर तुक्का एग्जाम में चल गया अच्छी बात है, बट यहाँ पर आपको लर्न करना है, यहाँ तुक्का नहीं मारना है. ठीक है, एक्सप्लेन द रीजन. जस्ट A, B, C, D is not enough. First of all, I hope you all are aware that I'm talking about what is incorrect about electoral bonds. क्या गलत है electoral bonds के बारे में. ठीक है, तो आपको गलत बताना है इसमें. अदीबा कह रही B. Anybody else? कुछ लोग B कह रहे हैं, कुछ लोग D. D absolutely right. Right statement पूछ ही नहीं रहे. I'm asking about incorrect statement. So you have to tell me. It's not available for everyone. Then Muskan Bano, can you please explain? Available to political parties. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को तो आप डोनेट कर रहे हो ना. Bonds are available only to CB. No one has any idea about the donors. Who is a citizen of India or incorporated established in India and buy bonds? Yes, Kaushal Nara is right, but I'm not sure whether it is because this statement appears to be from Google searched. But okay, but Kaushal Nara is right. I don't know if you're saying from your side, that's right. Yes. So actually the incorrect statement is this. This is not available to everyone. Only Indian citizens can buy. बाहर के लोग थोड़ी खरीद सकते हैं. Indian citizen, Indian establishment, Indian corporates etc. ठीक है, हमेशा याद रखना everyone वाला statement जनरली गलत होता है. सबके लिए अवेलेबल हो कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब क्या कोई वर्ल्ड में कोई भी, जैसे फिजी का कोई आदमी, यूएस को कोई आदमी खरीद सकता है? इट्स नॉट, इट्स अगेंस्ट द कॉमन सेंस, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स it will affect, I can say, the elections in India. So of course it is available only to any person. Can you purchase them by a citizen of India or incorporate or establishment in India? Any establishment incorporated in India. So everyone is a wrong statement. Okay. So no, they are not available to politicians. They can be available to other citizens. Even we can also buy electoral bonds. ठीक है, so it's incorrect. This was asked in inter quiz, school quiz. Okay, very good, Kaushal Nara. Then okay, very good. Then you're right. So Kaushal Nara has answered my question correctly. So rest of the question is right, but I was asking incorrect. So from that logic, D is the right answer. Those who are from paid batches, I will explain in detail about electoral bonds. Those who are not from paid batches, please go and read it. This is a very, very important topic. It has been coming in news again and again, so they can ask questions from this. ठीक है, कहीं भी पूछ सकते हैं, CLAT में, LAT में, SLAT में, कहीं भी पूछ सकते हैं. So D is the right answer. So if you are preparing for CLAT 2022, You have problems in legal affairs and current events, and you can join this batch. What are the benefits? You will be taught legal affairs and current events, expert guidance by NLU alumni, progressive assessment test, doubt clearing sessions will be there. If you have any query, call on this number or mail us at support@BYJU'S Exam Prep. So this is all about today's class. Most likely tomorrow we'll be having budget class, most likely. So please do join it. That will be very beneficial for you. So everyone, whoever is watching on YouTube, please press the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.